Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix parking assist unavailable in your Porsche. The solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, for the Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster, and the Porsche Cayenne. So if you have any of the recent versions of these models, this solution will work for you. The first thing that you need to do, guys, is just go to your screen here in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So once you're here, guys, as you can see, guys, in the left there is all of these sections, and then here if you go to the home section, you're gonna find all of these applications. Once you're here, just look for parking, give it a click, and then here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of the settings related to the parking assistance. So first of all, make sure that the parking assistant options are enabled, because if it's not working, this means that you have them disabled. So I keep always obstacle warning volume loud. I also have this option enabled. I lower the volume when parking. I have these options enabled, the three options. And you can also go here, click on show surroundings if you want to change options or change camera angles while you're parking. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.